Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Tahoe versus the Toyota Land Cruiser. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these iconic SUVs stand out, from their robust performance to their luxurious interiors. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their unique strengths, helping you decide which vehicle is the perfect match for your adventures and daily driving. When it comes to power, the Tahoe often boasts a larger engine option like its 6.2-liter V8, delivering 420 horsepower for strong acceleration and towing. The Land Cruiser, however, counters with a sophisticated 2.4-liter turbo hybrid, providing 326 horsepower with impressive torque. Both are highly capable, but the Land Cruiser often excels in rugged off-road conditions, while the Tahoe offers a smoother on-road experience with a higher towing capacity of up to 400 pounds. Inside, both SUVs offer premium experiences, but with different philosophies. The Tahoe prioritizes spaciousness, often seating up to 8 passengers with generous cargo volume, making it ideal for large families. Its modern infotainment system and digital displays are user-friendly. The Land Cruiser, while also spacious, emphasizes rugged luxury and advanced off-road technology, ensuring comfort and capability even on the most challenging terrains. Both provide a refined cabin, but for distinct purposes. Considering value, the Chevrolet Tahoe typically presents a more accessible entry price, offering a great balance of features and size for its cost. The Toyota Land Cruiser, while often commanding a higher price, is legendary for its unparalleled reliability and strong resale value, making it a long-term investment. Both are excellent choices, depending on your priorities for initial cost versus enduring durability. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.